Hey yo, that natural curly hair make me stop and stare. That natural curly hair, girl, it make me stop and stare. Natural curly hair make me stop and stare. That natural curly hair, girl, it make me stop and stare.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a new deep condition. I know it's been a while. I know I just been rotating between the same 5 deep conditioners, but I finally got a new one. And it's this boy back. This one. You see? This is the Taliah Waajid Repair and Restore Hair Strengthening Treatment Mask with shea butter, honey, and banana. Now, I decided to get this because I will be straightening my hair and I need all the protein I can get, okay? I used a protein shampoo and now my deep conditioner and then, you know, whatever else. So this says it is a strand repair. It restores hair elasticity. It regulates hair ideal porosity for moisture and retention, and it leaves hair soft and manageable. So this is all I need. I went to a regular beauty supply store and it was $10.99. I never tried this product. It says it's for curls, waves, naturals. It doesn't say coily because I'm more of like the coily type, but my hair is curly. So I mean, I guess I just need protein. Like that's all I wanted to do. If it does that, then maybe it'll be in my top 3 because I only have 2 deep conditioners that I like to use with protein in it, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil, that one, and the Male Organics. Oh, also I like the Aura's hair mayonnaise, so that's another one that has protein I like. So maybe this will be in my top 4. Who knows? We gotta see what it do. Yeah, so in the back it just says use after their shampoo, which you can use any shampoo. You don't have to, you know, do what they say. And then apply a generous amount and then focus on damaged areas. Let the product sit in your hair for 20 minutes with or without a plastic cap and then rinse well. The ingredients is water, vegetable glycerin, shea butter, palm oil, soybean oil, coconut oil, and then they got those alcohols that are supposed to be good for like whatever. They got vitamin E, honey, and banana like fragrances. So yeah, it comes in a 12 fluid ounce bottle, so that's pretty good. And let's open it. It's sealed. I like that. I don't really like the smell, but ooh, child, it is thick. Wow. I didn't think it would be thick. See, you guys know I like my deep conditioners thick. So yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything, but it doesn't smell too good either, but that's fine. So yeah, let's just apply this. You guys know that I like for it to kind of have slip. I don't really care because I don't detangle at this point in my life during the washing process. But yeah, we're just gonna see how it do. My hair is already pretty soft though, and I just used a protein shampoo, which was the what you call it, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one from Shea Moisture, which normally goes with the I can't talk, the deep conditioner. So yeah, I'm just gonna section my hair off. Okay, so we're gonna start on this section right here. We're gonna take a nice amount of the deep conditioner, and guys, this thing is thick. It's thicker than the Shea Moisture. It's thicker than any protein based deep conditioner I used. So because it is so thick, I don't like the smell. Ooh, it's kind of like it's melting right into my hair. Ooh. But yeah, I want to see like how it feels when I rinse it out, because right now it feels really good. But I've had deep conditioners. Dang, chill. Yeah, my shedded hairs out, okay? Shedded hairs. I had deep conditioners feel really good, and then you wash it out and it's like, what happened? Where'd you go, sis? Ooh. I gotta make sure I get every strand. You see how when you open your hair, there's like nothing there? This stuff is really thick. Oh my God. And I'm able to run my fingers through my hair. And I didn't detangle yet. I literally just took down a protective style and then shampooed it. And I'm putting this deep conditioner and my hands are gliding. I'm getting the shedded hairs out as I go. Yes. I can't get over how good it feels. I feel like it's making my curls pop too. If this do good, I might do a like a styling video with the rest of their products, because I never thought this would really work for me, because it's I don't know, I just never seen like people with my type of hair use it before. It says leave on for 20 minutes, but I haven't done a protein treatment in a while, so I may leave it on for an hour, because I know I'm gonna straighten my hair right after this, and that's the whole process, so I'm not trying to have that last whole day. I'm mainly straightening my hair for a trim, so then I'm gonna leave it like that until it's time to revert it. But I need a good trim, y'all. I'm telling you, my wash and goes ain't been looking right, everything, so I need a good trim. Guys, so I am done, and I don't want to get too excited, but y'all, I have a good feeling about this one. Okay, I have a good feeling, but we're gonna wait and see. I didn't use a lot, even though it may have looked like it. I still have a lot left. You see, there we go. So I didn't use a lot at all. I still have a lot left. It really went over my hair nice, like nice. You know, when you say it twice, that means it's extra good. So, I mean, it felt really good. It melted into my hair. Sometimes I felt like I wasn't putting enough just because it would melt into my hair so quickly. I'm used to seeing the product on my hair, but this is melting like butter into my hair. And it's so thick, but it's creamy. It helps your fingers glide through. I mean, I'm lost, sis. Like, I'm just lost. But let's hope that when it wash out, it's kind of hard to say on the first like try if it made my hair stronger or anything like that, but I just want to know that I can detangle with it if so need be, that it rinses out well, that what else do I look for, that over time I guess I'll see improvement. But I like this nice and heavy. The smell, not too good, not too bad. You kind of get used to it. It's not super perfuming, which is great. So yeah, I will come back after however long I decide to sit with it on, and I'll tell you guys my final thoughts. Guys, let me tell you, oh my god, that deep conditioner, when I was washing it out of my hair, it felt even better than when it went in. It washed out like a dream. My hair is pillow soft, and it even defined my curls. Like, my curls are never this defined after I deep condition. Like, never. It's only like this defined if I do the Aztec Indian healing clay like mask thing, but it is so soft. It has body, it's moving. And then you know how if you ever put like a protein treatment in your hair and you're like, yeah, my hair needed this. Yeah, my hair needed this, and it feels good. I can't. So happy. I'm so happy. Like I really like it's like I mean it just. Come on, let me. Like, don't it just look better already? Like, just look at this. Like, it looks so freaking good. It feels so better. So much better. It feels so much better. Like, look at that. Like, I'm speechless, okay? Speechless. Feels so good. But yeah, so basically, I'm gonna give this deep conditioner a 9 out of 10, simply because of the smell. It's still kind of lingering a little bit, but it washed out like a drain. You can detangle with it. It's super thick, but it like come on, like what else do you want? It's like it makes my hair feel like my Mariel Organics Babasu deep conditioner, but it's less money and you get more, and it's like really good, like really good. I can probably get, because I don't do protein treatments like that I do it like probably once a month. If that, I probably do it less. It depends on what my hair needs, but this is gonna last me, and I'm gonna get more, and like it's good. Like that's all you guys need to know. If you're looking for a deep treatment mask with some protein in it, go for this one right here. Tell them I sent you. You're welcome. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.